Well, I don't know if this is YouTube Live. I don't think this is YouTube Live. 6 o'clock at night. I've been going. I've gotten quite a bit accomplished. What's starting to kill me on time right now is trying to build new the sleeves that'll hold the pipes against it. I've got both my backbones bolted down. Both my backbones are bolted down to it. 3 places down the run. Now I'm building the outrigger floats that are going to sit right here. The one back brace right there will actually ride across the top, but the front one right there is actually going to bore right through the center of that one. And that'll join all 4 of those floats together. Boom, 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 boom. On the back edge. And the front edge will just have 2 of them going right through it. But I can't drill the holes in these, that one and that one, and that one and that one, until I get that one so it sits up, actually sits in position. Then I know my distance this way, because I suck at a tape measure. These holes took a little bit, but they do fit nice. When it comes time to weld it, it won't be too hard to weld that. Not much of a gap. Here's Budgies. Hey, Budgies. What do you think of 10 grams? Yep, you shush up.